There are different configurations, and the prices vary. First, this one's model is CNC-200, and this one's model is MDK3113. Their functions and processing methods are basically the same. Now let me explain how they're different. Starting with the 3113, it can move up and down using inner and outer sleeves, and adjust the table left and right as well. But the CNC-200 can't do that. The CNC-200 can only adjust the tilt angle of the table. The key difference is up front. Also, the CNC-200S monitor is a 7-inch display, while the 3113 has a 10.7-inch screen. The 3113 comes with a high-speed spindle motor, and you can adjust its speed with a frequency converter from 6,000 up to 12,000 revolutions per minute. The CNC-200 has a regular motor with a standard spindle, and its speed is 9,700 revolutions per minute. Okay,